Guys, what's up? This is Sakshi. Welcome to my channel, and this time I'm in Jaisalmer, which is also known as the Golden City. And now इसको Golden City क्यों बोलते हैं ये आपको अभी थोड़ी देर में पता चल जाएगा. Starting the journey directly from the office because we are running out of time and we have to catch the bus from Karol Bagh. Now बस इसलिए बुक की हमने क्योंकि ट्रेन टिकट्स अवेलेबल नहीं थी एंड मेरे अकॉर्डिंग ट्रेन एक बेटर ऑप्शन है. सो अगर आपको अवेलेबिलिटी मिलती है देन बुक द ट्रेन टिकट्स. We have booked AC sleeper bus which is quite comfortable and this is how the bus looks like from inside. So next day finally we reached Jaisalmer after 18-hour long exhausting journey from Delhi, and we already booked our hotel, and yeah, I'll quickly show you how our room looks like. So we have a mirror, cupboard, bed, TV and two huge windows. So this room is really pretty with all the traditional interiors. Best part about this room is the view from the window. I'll show you. Yeah, right. This is the Jaisalmer fort and I'll really suggest you to book a room which has view of fort. So we got ready, had breakfast, and the first place that we are exploring is Jaisalmer Fort. As soon as we entered the fort, we could see lots of shops, stalls selling handicrafts, and also we hired a guide so that we could understand better about the place.
और सेकंड दीवार के ऊपर देखो रोलिंग मिसाइल, लंबे और गोल पत्थर रखे देखो दीवार के ऊपर सब जगह. ये देखो लाइन से रखे. ये दुश्मन के ऊपर मारने के लिए है. वो देखो उधर भी है गोल वाला, कम से कम 100 से 150 किलो का है पत्थर. जो बड़े हैं 200, 250, 300, मतलब बहुत बड़ी ऊपर से पुश कर देते. बाहुबली पिक्चर में ऐसा दिखाते हैं.
तो अब शाम हो चुकी है फोर्ट एक्सप्लोर करते करते एंड प्लान नाउ इज़ टू गो टू द सनसेट पॉइंट एंड एंजॉय द सनसेट अलॉन्ग विद सम टी एंड मैगी. So this was all about day 1. Now we are going to enjoy the dinner with the view of gorgeous lit fort. Tomorrow we have to leave early for Longewada. So stay tuned for the second video, and if you like the video, do consider to like, share and subscribe.